Why did I spend time learning to code if suddenly AI is going to replace me? And many companies even made rash actions. They started to outplace people because they figured that AI was going to provide efficiencies and which will allow them to do more things with fewer humans. So 2026, something different. AI replacement flopped into $61 billion of technical debt crisis. Companies rehired laid off developers as AI proved inadequate for complex work, and they shifted focus to augmentation. So as we mentioned here on this channel many times, AI can automate tasks, typically can't replace humans. Anybody who's been a software engineer understands that a good part of that job is going to take creativity and innovation, which AI has trouble replicating. It can replicate patterns, in other words, how we code and, even look at some of the best practices in coding, things like that. But getting to an efficient state, getting into the architecture strategy for how you build and deploy these systems is something it can't do. And they found that out pretty quickly and are still finding it out today. I'm getting a call once a week from some company that laid off most of their engineering staff, and they find they can't replicate them with AI. It was promised by their technology providers, and now they're trying to get those people back, are trying to figure out some other options. And next, Jensen Huang, he's the NVIDIA CEO, obviously a mover and shaker, high flyer in the market. NVIDIA's doing great. He denied an AI bubble, predicting explosive infrastructure growth where AI would power trillion-dollar economies and automate vast job seekers like coding and analysis.